The fact is, we never celebrated Kartik in Prabhupada's time. It happened afterwards, all the parikramas and everything. That was post-Prabhupada. During Kartik Chaturmasya like that, we did very little austerity. It was, everything was book distribution, Sankirtan, spreading Krishna consciousness. So, when we talk about Kartik and going to the Holy Dham and spending time there, and that never happened during Prabhupada's time, and all the vratas and all this. So Prabhupada's mood was like, vrata means preaching. Get out there and anything that's going to inspire your preaching. Don't do anything that takes away from it. So sometimes I'm a little reluctant to tell devotees to get too much into too much into doing this austerity and that, when the real austerity is to give Krishna consciousness. But I think the one thing that I just think about is it's a time to appreciate this one Leela, which means, to me, appreciate one, you appreciate them all. And how sweet it is, and how attractive Krishna is, and how much love Jasoda has. Because the commentaries say her love was like Radharani's love. It was not really much less. It was really up there with Radharani. Very special. So when we meditate on the love the devotee has for Krishna, it's just a reflection. Like, what do I love? What am I trying to love? What am I doing with my love? What am I missing out because I'm not loving Krishna? And why am I trying to love so many other things? So that's part of meditating on this Leela. And the song, one of the aspects of the song that's so beautiful is that we all want so many things, and in the song he's saying, I want this vision, this memory, that's all I want. So that's all we really want. That's all the heart wants. And then we try to replace Krishna with so many other things. But that's the form that fits in the heart. The heart doesn't want anything else. So it's a nice meditation. And no opulences, or you just want this vision. I want the blessing, Nalakaveramani Grita, I could be in Grita. Just somehow or other to use this month and this pastime to help us transcend our ordinary, mundane consciousness of trying to get ahead materially and thinking all that's important.